We're at Dunstan Reserve in Riverside Cantilever, and it's also home to the West Brunswick Community Garden. The structure is situated at the entrance to the community garden and acts as a meeting and gathering point for the community along the trail. The community garden has been running for over 30 years. It's entirely volunteer run and is important for the community as it allows them an area for they can grow their food and come together. Working on projects like these is great. It gives us a high level of collaboration with key stakeholders and provides greater amenity for the community.